Hello and welcome to a new video. Hopefully you are listening to me correctly now. This is recorded on an Android tablet. Last previous videos didn't have sound on Android devices. I don't know how that was happening. It had different sound on PC, different sound on iOS, YouTube, iOS. I have no idea how that happened, but I guess this should work fine. The quality seems good. Recording is good. This is an Android tablet, and this is what I use to watch charts. Let's go. Today was a crazy day. What a range of emotions, what a range in Nifty 50. So, as I had put since here from around here, I kept on holding. There was a gap down. There was a show of high dreams by Nifty 50. I thought I'm reaching 1 CR by this December maybe. But yeah, it doesn't happen that way. And at the lows, I was seeing a great M2M, but nope. It started recovering, and about this I knew that things could go wild. I could not I maybe I won't get to book anything. And yeah, that's what happened. One candle, 181, I guess this was a 180 point candle, and everything was done there. My SL was previous day's closing, so it broke, and I waited for one or two more candles, thinking let's not risk much as of now, because a single fall could wipe out the puts profit, the calls loss, everything could be go south. So I waited for like two candles here, and done. I think I exited at 12:30. Yeah, at 12:30 I exited the puts with 1.5 lakhs profit, which was way more high. But I think since I'm increasing quantity recently, I would be seeing more amount of open profits than I'll be booking, because that's how it is. Sometimes what my SL during consolidation is my cost price. So how would it look when I someday I'll have 10,000 quantity. I might see 500 points and I would be see 50 lakhs. And what if it goes 500 points and then it recovers fully? Then I would be booking zero. So I can't be looking at the M2M and thinking I lost this much open profit today, because the process is the same, quantity is different. So these things, I think I will have to get used to it. I'm already getting used to it because I've been doing since one lot, so I know how I will be losing. But yeah, this is something new. This was a great amount, and that's fine. The trend was not meant to be, so profits are also not meant to be. We are looking at bigger profits, and this looked like a reversal here. But since uh, this thing, why I keep the SL away, why this was the SL, why can't I just exit here and get my profits and then just wait for something, the clarity? It's because if it had gone till here, maybe here, and then what if it had fallen back? So I would have lost money, which I was already in a trend. I would have lost inputs, couldn't book that, and there would be losses in calls also. So I wait a little bit, I keep my SLs away so I don't miss out on the bigger trends. And that's the idea. So that's why I'm sitting with calls now, hoping for a good gap up sometime. Maybe if Nifty is flat right now in the evening, and Nasdaq is booming, US 30 flat. Let's see what's up on Monday. We'll be holding calls till here. 24,500 is the reference level for now, first low where the support started. Till the afternoon, I'll be looking at 24,500 only, and if the uptrend continues, maybe raise the level to these highs of consolidation. That would be a good stop loss. Maybe it would take support from there, so I'll keep it a bit lower. 24,600 would be fine. Then we'll keep on increasing if there is an uptrend, but if there is a downtrend, let's see. Buy puts again. See a crash like this and lose it all, lose the open profits. And here we go with the comments. What do you think about bear put spreads? Will it work on your setup? I've actually thought about it, bull call spreads and bear put spreads. So basically, most of my trades, which is 65% of my trades, maybe 63% to 65% of my trades, will be wrong trades. So what if I hedge it? And maybe that loss will be reduced. But when you see an upcoming trend which is going to come, maybe a trend is going to come, and I would not make the unlimited profit. Means if there is a trend of 1000 points, I would be not making 1000 points in the trend. Maybe if I have put my bull call spread, with 500 points away. OTM, which is sold, is 500 points away. I would make that much, I guess, and it would limit my profit. So I have not backtested that way if that would work. But yeah, surely I would not do that, because the current idea is to grab as much money during a trend to sustain and cover the losses made in consolidation. So that way it wouldn't work, but I don't know, maybe because of the number of trades which are in losses, so there are more trades in losses, so maybe it could work. I don't know. Don't understand why you're posting videos with a voice error. I'm sorry. It was on Android. I think this video will fix it. I'm so sorry. I think I fairly understand your strategy after watching so many videos. What if you drop to a lower time frame during sideways? Will the losses be reduced? Yes, the losses can be reduced. I think if you, for let's say this consolidation going in with 5 minutes, there is lots of things could be done here, which would reduce the losses. But the thing is, this is the losses. I'm not looking to reduce my losses. I'm looking to grab more points during a trend. So for example, I didn't exit here. This uptrend when it started, I didn't exit even when the fall was here. But if I was looking at only 5 minutes, I would have exited here, maybe at the lows. So during a bigger trend, if you want to sustain, you have to go on higher time frames, and the bigger trends will obviously uh, give more profits than the losses in consolidation. That's what my backtest says. I am not too sure if that is what is going to happen in future too. So yeah, lower time frame will get your SLs nearby and will get you out of the trend sooner than what you should be sitting than when you should be sitting during a bigger trend. In case if big gap up, what will be your strategy? Have you decided your target? Okay, so if there was a big gap up, I would wait for 15 minutes and then I would cut off my position. So I had puts here. SL was at cost around, let's say if the gap up was right here at 750. So I'll wait for 15 minutes. Whatever happens after 15 minutes, even if it goes down, good for me. If it sustains or starts going up, I would still wait for 15 minutes. Even though if I want to exit, I think I would have to go for limit order, since my options would be illiquid in the first 15 minutes. So I have to wait till 9:30 as such, and then I would exit with loss and just go for calls. That would be my plan. Why do you trade monthly options and not weekly? So the idea of trading monthly options would be because the less like the previous question, if there is a big gap up, if there is a 200 point gap up, let's say 200 points gap up, I would be losing less in the risk. Overnight risk is lesser in monthly options, because since if I had taken a position here, I would have taken 24,900. If there is a 200 point gap up, my put will be still in the money, plus there will be time value premium. And if even if it goes 24,900, if it opens at 24,900, if I'm switching at 24,900, the my option would be at the money with higher time value premium than what the weekly options would be. And for example, if there is a Wednesday and on Thursday there is a gap up or gap down, and if I have traded weekly options, I would lose like 50% or 60% or maybe a lot if there is a gap opening on the opposite side. So that's why I don't prefer it. I prefer monthly options, so I don't have to roll over every week. I don't need to change the expiry every week, and the risk is less. Obviously the rewards are lesser, but yeah, my strategy has less accuracy, so reducing the risk would be a better idea than increasing the reward. भाई जब तुमने स्टार्ट किया था ऑप्शंस, एज यू सेड आप वन लॉट से ट्रेड करते हो, तो तब टारगेट्स वगैरह कैसे थे आपके? क्योंकि मैं वन लॉट से कर रहा हूँ अभी, बट सारा ब्रोकरेज में जाता है। इवन आई टेक 10 पॉइंट्स। आप लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए होल्ड करते थे क्या बाय द वे? मैं सेम सिस्टम जो अभी कर रहा हूँ, वन लॉट से सेम किया था मैंने। तब वन लॉट था 50 क्वांटिटी का, तब मैं सेम सिस्टम करता था। पर क्या हुआ था कि मैंने 1 लाख कैपिटल डाला था और मैं उतना यूज़ नहीं कर रहा था, तो जितना भी रॉन्ग ट्रेड्स आता था मैं एक लॉट इंक्रीज कर देता था। तो मेरा फर्स्ट प्रॉफिट 5 लॉट्स से हुआ था, जो मैंने ट्रेंड होल्ड करके किया था। लेट मी फाइंड इट इफ आई कैन। जो फर्स्ट मैंने 7 जुलाई से शुरू किया था। ओके, सो दिस वाज द कंसोलिडेशन वेयर आई स्टार्टेड। तब से मैंने एक लॉट में शुरू किया, तो मतलब ये डाउन ट्रेंड में कुछ नहीं मिला था। फिर से कुछ ये मतलब लॉसेस वाला डाउन ट्रेंड नहीं था, बट नॉर्मल नॉर्मल चल रहा था। दिस अप ट्रेंड, ये जो अप ट्रेंड आया ना, उसमें मैंने 1 लाख का प्रॉफिट कुछ हुआ था 5 लॉट से, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग। या दैट वाज इट, यस। हुआ होगा उतना, 1 लाख जितना कुछ प्रॉफिट हुआ इधर। और तब पता चला कि होल्ड करने से ही होगा। तो दैट आइडिया, दिस kept on going on. This idea hasn't been changed because it was one lot, or now that I have, I don't know how many lots. Six I am doing, I bought 7,000, I increased my quantity, 7,000 क्वांटिटी है आज। तो वो प्रोसेस सेम ही है। तो क्या होगा कि जैसे कि मैंने बताया था स्टार्टिंग में कि M2M ज़्यादा दिखेगा। मुझे भी साइकोलॉजिकली इफेक्ट होना चाहिए वो, कि इतना ज़्यादा M2M दिखा, पर वो M2M क्वांटिटी की वजह से। जैसे कि मैं सेम 1 लॉट से करता तो मेरा माइंडसेट सेम प्रॉपर रहता। शायद मैं 80% रिटर्न्स 1 लॉट में देख के बुक ना करता, सोचता होल्ड कर लेते, 200% ले लेते। तो दैट सेम आइडिया ये इधर भी है। आई नो, जो आज फिगर देखा होगा नीचे, किसी ने भी लाइव फॉलो किया, वो बहुत लुक्रेटिव था। और मैं भी बहुत, मेरा नेट पीएनएल बहुत आगे, मतलब 30% एक्स्ट्रा हो जाता मेरा नेट पीएनएल पूरा। एंड इट वाज 88% रिटर्न्स मैंने मैक्स देखा था, तो वो बहुत अच्छा था। बट या होल्ड करके, द आइडिया इज टू होल्ड द प्रॉफिटेबल ट्रेड्स एंड नॉट बुक इट। तो वो शायद जो भी फिगर था वो डबल भी हो जाता कल तक। तो दैट इज़ द होल आइडिया। और लॉन्ग टर्म ही होल्ड करूंगा मैं हमेशा, इवन इफ सच मूव्स आ जाए, फिर भी वो आइडिया चेंज नहीं होगा। एंड दैट्स इट फॉर द डे। थैंक यू। आई होप दिस वीडियो गोज आउट वेल, द साउंड इज़ ओके। और प्लीज़ अगर ओके हो तो हर बार जो नो वॉइस नथिंग दिस बता रहे हो, वैसे ये इस बार बता देना मुझे कि इट्स वर्किंग, कमेंट डाउन। एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग इन, सी यू इन